All right, I'm back. Whatever. Yeah, my PC just it randomly freezes and craps out whenever it wants to. There's nothing I can do about it. And you know, I texted my guy and I said, "Look, this seriously has to stop, or I gotta go. I gotta do something else, man. I'm gonna have to take it in another direction. Like I can't do this anymore. Like it's costing me like everything to have to deal with this. It froze. This is the second time it froze today. Like." There's no reason why it's like Windows crashes. It's like Windows, the actual OS, just craps out. Where like the PC like works maybe for like 6% to 10% of its ability to work. That's how it works. Okay, you can't shut it down manually. You have to literally hard shut it off, pushing the button, and nothing I can do about it, man. Nothing I can do about it until David either decides he wants to fix it, or if he can't figure it out, then I have to find someone else. Okay. What would that have to do? Did you enable administrator and turn off game mode? That is not going to make my whole PC freeze. Good God. D-Live notified? Wow. Nice, dude. Well, whatever. I just came on because it's like, why not, you know, why not talk about what happened and let everyone know I didn't just like dip out and Irish wedding it or something. Okay. I don't have any of my apps open. Hold on. What's up, Julian O'Falcon? Welcome. Believe me, getting this stream like running after I have to restart it, the computer from nothing, it is not easy, and it's not easy. It takes time, and it's just obnoxious. It's not my RAM. I have 48 gigs of RAM, dude. Not my RAM. That's not gonna make Windows crash. I don't know what it is. It's like a corrupted Windows version. Okay. Dang, man. It's like when I have to worry about that, I put $8,000 into this PC. $8,000, okay? Reinvested for you. And this is happening, okay? I have an insurance policy just for this PC alone. Like every time it kills all the momentum of these streams. It happens all the time. Remember Jeopardy? It happened, and just I don't know, man. Just it's really frustrating. Extremely frustrating. My CPU overheating? No. My Threadripper is not overheating. No, it is not. It's not a hard drive issue. It's something with software. Definitely with software. Okay, please open. Killing me. And then I've got the whole screen melting thing that happens all the time now too. Dude, it's just like not even like you can't even throw money at problems anymore. You can't even reinvest in your stream anymore because nothing's gonna fix. Okay. Yeah, it's a Windows problem. There you go. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I guess. No, Ben, it's not a virus, man. It's been going on ever since I got this thing, like this computer, like created, okay? It's always been an issue. It's never not been an issue. Yeah, let's do a wall modulo. Okay. Aaron Baker says, guys, just want to say what's up. I'm watching from the labor and delivery room. His wife is in labor. The baby's coming. And because Mitch is the man, he will be future crypto king. I don't know, dude. Maybe if I can ever get a PC that works. Good God, man. Like my PC before gave me less issues and stress than this one that cost so much money. It was just to make it to where I could do everything I ever wanted to give y'all better content. That's all it was about. What's up, crypto guy on D-Love? Crypto mining, welcome. What's up, Nucleus Rick? Okay, Bitcoin, reiteration. I don't know how long we were live before, but we're back. And bullish cipher, first target hit, rising wedge broke out, $30, $40 off the measured move of the pattern. Bullish divergence occurred, and we got our pop earlier, sooner rather than later. That's what happened. Okay, so now we're on the upside. We're at a 50% retrace, making higher highs than our previous highs, the most recent previous highs. And second target of the pattern from C to D would be a 62% retrace at 52.66. Let's see if we can get there. It'd be great, man. It'd be awesome. Okay, that's it. Third target's 54.23. Thanks, JP. Appreciate it, man. That's it. I still don't have all my apps going right now. All right. Doesn't even matter. Probably won't be on long. It's just like when your momentum gets killed like that, dude. It destroys it, man. Destroys it all. Destroys mentality, everything, man. What's up, Chase? Sorry, man. I don't know. Like, dude, that kind of stuff just kills it. All right. Jeez, my guy's a pro. He's a pro. He like does this stuff. It's like a living. It's like he does it. He's got a team that he oversees. Okay. I was live for an hour and 8 minutes. Thanks, Shane. Appreciate it.
It is a sign the White Walkers are coming.
Surf fishing from Morgan, Alabama. Thanks for $10, dude. Sign White Walkers were coming. Well, they already came, man. They're already here, dude. They broke the sell wall way down here. 4,200 was the sell wall. So now they're in Westeros, and they got us as far as the Riverlands so far. King's Landing's 5,800. Okay. God, it's like, can I just give you money and you just do everything so I don't have to do anything so I can focus on like this? Like that's what I want. Okay. Yeah, claim insurance on this thing. Yeah, dude, I'm sure that'll be great. No, dude, I don't know. I really don't know. Someone won a Walton coin, I think, before the crash. Again, another one, like just all the time now. Dude, Walton coin looks decent still. Hey, Adrian, thanks for the 619, dude. Appreciate it. Says it's cool, we don't mind, still the coolest TA channel. Thanks, man, I appreciate that. I don't know about that, man. All I know is I'm just hey, Golden Cross, and I'm trying to help people, and like my God, man, I thought like the people that were helping me like for the past year, this community, like I was just trying to give back by giving you like the most extreme, incredible experience. Okay, so Nikki, welcome. All right, so holding below that 20-day moving average, you are getting a V-chain type golden cross on the daily right now as we speak and breathe. 27 minutes, you're probably going to have it really cross over. They're just touching right now. It's beautiful. Very nice on Walton Coin. Thank Dennis, man. I don't know, man. Just see, tools, log scale, or what is it? The log files. Upload last log file. Last log file. I'm just trying to like OBS log analyzer. Okay, so all right, so this is it, man. This is like all from the previous log file. This is what I got. So he said turn off Windows gaming feature. What is Windows gaming features, dude? Good God, man. Okay, I guess I'll just do this after stream or whatever, but that's the log file. Anyway, wow. Is investing into Lino stake worth it? You're not investing in Lino. You're literally taking their token and then tipping your content creator that you like. You're not holding it. That would be folly. I would not suggest getting Lino coin to invest or to hold it. Never. Never in a million years. You get it like bits on Twitch and then you tip your content creator and then that's it. Okay. The only way you should look at it. Oh, dude, I don't know. Matthew, man. Prove a stake. Good luck with that, man. I don't know. You have a bacon face, SD, man? Or does it matter that 99% of Lino is owned by, like, D-Live itself, Matthew? I don't know. Anyway, so I don't know, dude. I just came on here to look at a few things. We're looking at Walton Coin. Double bottom trade setup was beautiful. It was wonderful, man. And we went a little bit higher than our measured move before selling off, and now we're just looks like some price contractions going on. And daily golden cross, higher lows. Here's that leg up stuff I was talking about before the crash, right? You got like a leg here, and then you just your ascent changes, right? You're like, oh, okay, higher lows, higher lows. Will we do it again? Bounce and then run again. Because, I mean, like, that is a pretty discernible swing high, but there's a swing high before that, high to low, and I'm sure we probably didn't hit all those fib nodes. Okay, but, dude, from the height of the structure, give me a break, man. We could go much, much higher. But these are all discernible swing highs, so it's really not like ADA or V-Chain where you just sold off and dumped forever and never retraced. Okay. So that's it, man. Whatever. Let's go to XRP again. Dude, like, none of my stuff even saved. I love it. Don't you love it on the daily how it looks? Where it hit that entry area and bounced. Now it's bullishly Harambeing Cabo. Remember how it, like, we expected it to play out like this, but it was actually, you just didn't expect it to happen so quickly, which is fine. This limit buys are great, but you know, the hypothetical technically played out just a little a bit sooner rather than later, just like Bitcoin, right? Bullish divergence, low on price, low on price at the entry with lower levels of negative momentum. That was the recipe we were looking for an entry. It was great. But you just never know, man. We could run up, sell off, and double bottom, and then go again. It could take time. So it requires patience after entries are hit. Okay? Glitch in the crypto matrix. Julian Soda, man, if that's going on, that's probably not good, right? You don't want to hear that. Yeah, too bad DLab isn't really decentralized. No, not at all. It's completely centralized. 100% centralized, yes, Graham. You tried getting in and it said my video is copyright banned. What are you talking about? My freedom where? Where at? What does that mean? Because you're here now. Dude, no IT guy in this area will have any idea or any experience with what I'm doing. No one will where I live. No one, dude, locally. My God. I'm going to have to move to freaking Los Angeles just to get my PC fixed. Fake copyright. There you go, design. Daniel and the family, respect. Yeah, respect Dennis. Oh, where's Daniel? Daniel's having his kid, right? I can't remember. Yeah, definitely accumulation on Wallencoin for sure. Okay. We'll see, Mr. Elixir. We'll see if we can get it, man. Sometimes you just don't ever get that. But, hey, and the reason why is because look at that. That was so nice. So nice right there. Beautiful. Okay. So we looked at Bitcoin. We looked at Wallencoin. We looked at XRP. I mean, that's to the extent of how far we need to go in this stream. That the momentum has been killed, been destroyed. And we're just going to try again tonight. Okay. Well, we had like 1,400 viewers, it seemed like, just before that crash. Man, you just can't catch a break, dude. You can't catch a break in this world that I'm in, I guess. All right. Let me say thanks so much to the people that contributed earlier. Adrian A, Surfishing Alabama Man, Star Wars Worlds, Kills for a Living, Dolov, Ace G, MJ, VO, Black Plasma, dude. VO again. Mr. Sweat. Okay. And, of course, Dan and Melissa. Beautiful. Thank you all. It means everything. Because of people like y'all, I'm able to come back multiple times a day and give you updates on these markets and all that, alright? So I'll be back tonight. Thanks again. 11 Eastern, I'll be back. Till then, respect the T. Hey. Really? Really? How is that even possible, dude? How in the world do we have... Sorry. How do we have 400 people watching right now? What's going on? Who is that? Who's doing that out there? Huh? That's crazy, man. I just debated a bunch of people, didn't I? You all got debated, man. So I'm reading something. Anyway, okay. A lot of crazy stuff going on behind the scenes. Whew. Man, I'll tell you, they don't... They don't really talk about what happens with growth, man. Like, it's good, man. It's just like so much more upkeep involved. But like just having, like, holding on to that community, making sure everything stays good for everyone. And here we go, man. See, like, my wedge didn't even save when my PC crashed. Okay, the wedge, right? It's not really valid yet, but you can see the two down sloping converging trend lines, which is inherently bullish after an impulse, right? Impulse and then consolidation. Our consolidation is going with the impulse, which is improper. Currently sitting at 32.838 cents, which is the highest high we've seen since the bottom just yesterday. All right. Unbelievable, dude. What is that? Watchers engulfing. You're engulfing. The Momo chart has infected the PC. Yeah, I guess that's what it is, dude. What about it, Fazan King, dude? What about it? Oh, what is this? Okay. What was I supposed to look at, dude? Okay. Man, you'd figure Litecoin to BTC would have done something with this move up in price action, but it hasn't. It's still around that entry. But anyway, dude, sorry, just losing my... You have a 78% retrace. Sorry, B to C. You have a 1272 retrace. So you have a support zone, a zone of entry for this pattern. When you have a zone of entry, and at that zone of entry you show bullish divergence, man, that is incredible. That's what you're looking for. That's like the recipe, dude, for success with a swing trade. All right. And so we know we got a long way to go, dude. A long way to go for that first target, okay? You're not even close. First target's 34.086 cents. Might take us a while. Again, we could chop around, hit this down sloping resistance and sell off and whatever for days, 4 days, 5 days before breaking the upside. And then we could test this 33-cent area, struggle, but eventually you're looking for your first target at the 382 from the high to low. 38% retrace, 34.086 cents, okay? That's what we're looking for. It's beautiful, man. What's up, Muhammad, dude? What are you talking about, Julian? What does that mean? What's up, Danny G? I don't think so, sir. Fishing for Morgan, Alabama. I don't think so, dude. Okay. Dude, I have no idea. All right. Mr. Bearded, that's a good question. Okay. Oh, yeah, we're talking about XRP to BTC. Oh, it's just continuing to sell off, man. It broke the critical support, and we don't care after that, okay? So. It's near, like, that October low, though. But no divergence, I don't think. All right. William, don't congratulate me, man. I don't think it's really real. Okay. But it's weird. Awesome. Thanks, Shaylin. Whoa. My God, man. Okay. So anyway, XRP is probably going to hit 32.953 cents. And look, if Bitcoin wants to keep running, which it could, then XRP is going to go with it. Okay, we just know that. We know that for a fact. Older 64, thanks for the follow on D-Live. Welcome, dude. Not enough love on D-Live, man. Sorry, dude. You're still little brother to YouTube and Twitch. $88, not really, man. Looks like it's A little distribution going on, and we could sell off again. Okay, I don't see any kind of like real pattern being developed now. I don't see much of anything. Okay, I know for a fact ADA was wonderful on the way up. Oh, it was wonderful in its development of the pattern. It was wonderful on its respect to the TA. When we're talking about a high point to low point, we hit a 62% retrace. The golden retrace itself, and never saw prices above that. Again, from the beginning of the pattern, we broke and we hit the measured move and exceeded it a little bit. But right after that, man, after that you sold off. You bearish divergence on the RSI, and so now you're just trying to find support. There's not really any kind of, I mean, I guess you're trying to hold this right here. The inception wick, November 30th, 2017, when ADA was listed on Binance. That's what you're kind of holding right now, support. It'll be really weird. Okay, to hold that as support. Dude, you got so much negative momentum right now. Technically right now on this daily time scale that closes in 12 minutes, you have the highest level of negative momentum of the run, pretty much, right? Yeah, you do. So it just may not be done. There's no formal pattern that is developed. There's no harmonic. There's just nothing. There's just, all we have is from a swing low to swing high, low to high. It's a near 38.2% retrace. This doesn't even count because it wasn't even part of the swing high yet. So we haven't even hit it. The golden zone, you know, for ADA, a very reasonable area where we could expect to sell off and hit is down here at like 1388, the 50% retrace support, and another support 1342. Right, the horizontal lines, that's where the neckline is. It's like you be back testing the neckline after a huge run. It happens in traders market, man. It's not like out of the realm possibility. I don't see any pattern that has developed yet. Okay, very shallow retraces still, very shallow. All right, I don't know what the swing low is, but we have yet to touch the 200 moving average on the 4 hour, which is coming up 1577 sats. Very close to it. So I don't know. Had plenty of tips for you a month ago, man. We all did in here. This was one we were screaming about, like literally shouting from the mountaintops with a megaphone, PA system. Momentum shifting to the upside. We broke a down sloping structure that had been going on since early May of 2018. Higher lows. Montana's double bottom, with the double bottom looking left for the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Come on. Even breaking this down sloping resistance here. Come on. You just, like, asking me now is like, that's just not fair to ask me now, right? Because we put in the work for a long time. All right, that's it. And then that goes for so many other alts too, where so many people were screaming, "Oh, we're going to zero, man. We're going to negative a billion. We're going to 1,000, 2,000 in a second." It's like, okay, dude, good for you, dude. That really helps everyone. Nice analysis. Anyway, that's it for 88. Thanks for the 1,100 people here, I guess. Oh, 1,100 people, but 60 likes? That's not sketchy. Whoever's botting, once you bought some likes. Good God. Call him out. Even that real CWG? I'm being promoted? Yeah, dude, totally. You know, like, I don't do like ads on my statics now. What's up, Gerard? Or Jared? You're not a robot design function? You had me fooled, man. Definitely had me fooled. Oh my God. What's up, Dirty Fergie? It's like just you over there, man. Oh my God, really? Is that how it works now? Did it really do that? Yeah, it did that, man. It definitely did that. Dude, it's like as soon as I started talking crap about it, bye-bye. There go half your viewers, right? Whatever, man. It's like just trying to play the game fair. We've just been trying to do that, all right? Anyway, okay, ADA. Man, but we looked at CND today, VET, OMG, Walton Coin, Club, BAT, VFF, Dash, UNH, XRP, ETH, BTC. We've looked at so many assets today. It's been a very good stream. So Deus, thanks, man. Mohammed says, hi Mitch, new sub here, smashed the like button. Thanks, dude, for smashing that like button, Mohammed. I really appreciate that, okay? Oh, thanks for the more ice creams. Oh my god, many ice creams going on, dude. Dude, 10 ice creams and 1 diamond, Deuce, man. Thank you, brother, man. Yeah, the ice creams, I can't have the noise because you gotta understand, like, the value of an ice cream is like nothing. But I can do the quack for the diamond and up. All right. Even a diamond is only like, I think, $1.18 or something, right? Yeah, God Gamer, me too. There's that diamond, dude. Thank you, Deus. Okay. So much going on. I'm looking at something, okay? Just cleaning up a little bit too, okay? All right. So here is Tesla. Tesla Connect, right angled and descending broadening formation, been in development since July 2017 is where it started. Currently, I think we might be forming a falling wedge pattern, 88.6% retrace with bullish divergence on both oscillators on the daily time scale. All right, breakout soon, especially if you make this higher low here. That would be fantastic. High or low to high, 88% you've retraced. If you have divergence on both oscillators, add an 88% retrace. You've projected prices below for the 3rd time now. It could be time. It could very well be time to break to the upside. All right. If you were to do that, if that truly was the bottom, very easy trade. Swing trade, high to low. Where will we go, dude? Yes, we know. Just fib it. Nike. All right, the high to low. First target, second target. There it is. Very simple, man. Oops, what the? That was not simple. Okay, so if you have a falling wedge and you break it, it's very standard. Take profit at the 50% and the 618, 317 and 332 if we can break out. All right. Beautiful coinciding variables, critical supports. You've been selling off incessantly since December, mid-December 2018, man. This has all the makings of potential break to the upside. Okay? Just on technicals. That's it. Higher low than your previous low is also a big deal. Okay. Wow. Ultra Super Saiyan, dude? What? Are you kidding me? Thanks for the 571 tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, that like button, that bell, sub, this little trade setup on Tesla. Yeah, here we go, man. All the makings of the varsity athlete. That's it, dude. It's so beautiful. 5247 on Bitfinex. That's great, man. Very cool. I appreciate you too, man. Thanks. What's up, crypto homie? Hello, psychic bubblegum man. He says his dog is drunk because he's waiting for Bitcoin to hit 7K. Well, might be waiting a while. A long time. Jeez. That was for you, Danny G, man. Thanks for all the support. Professional Pink. Hi, Mitch. New to your channel. I too smashed you up. Ooh. That almost kind of sounds sexual, Professor Pink.
Oh, it feels so good!
Thanks. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Oh my god, man. XRP to BTC tweeted over bottom. Well, okay, it retraces a few sats and then dumps again, right? I mean, that's cool, man. There's, you know, whatever. It's just like, trade failed. Didn't work out. Multiple times failed. Like all the divergence, nothing mattered. Just kept selling. But it did hit the measured move. It did hit the measured move of the rising wedge pattern, which is beautiful. And we hit right on it. That's what's crazy. Bald and Bearded says, already 2 a.m. here. I'm only staying up for your streams. Always great stuff. Thanks, Bald and Bearded. Really appreciate that. Kangs, man. European Kangs. That's how it is, dude. Holy crap. 4 more likes to fireworks. Really? Second tier of fireworks. Would we consider this a second stream? I just streamed once. Now I'm streaming twice. And I'm streaming tonight, so it'll be 3 streams again, right? Hey, CC. Okay, sorry. Actually, texting Vet Moonboy. What? Yes, radio contact has been reestablished with Vet Moonboy. Okay. I reached out and I said, Vet Moonboy, VeChain has the daily golden cross. And he responded. He's back. Shady's back. Anyway, okay, so. Not bad, dude. Not bad. All right. Let's go to OST. So we said, hey man, it sucks on the triangle, but there was support we held. Found some support. 2 down sloping converging trend lines. And we broke out. We broke it finally. And we've got a long way to go. We don't even know if this is the swing low yet. You've got to hit 570 sats before you even know it's a real swing low. From a high to low. 236. Alright, so we know the golden zone, the common retrace level, is between 622 and 705 on OST. And it's like you had a false breakout of this crazy, crazy triangle, right? And you definitely consider that a big false breakout. Okay. Elixir, yeah, dude. Watching, yeah, sure. And he found his Vet Moon boots again. I guess it's a tongue twister. I don't know. Ugh. I don't know. I'm starting to get a little hungry, man. Dr. Craig Wright did not attempt to sue Hodlnaut. His nephew was using the computer. Okay, I'm sure that's real, Greg Morgan. I'm sure that's not an S post, right? Oh my god, man. Holy crap. But there you have it, man. There you have it. That's, I guess, what's going on. Alright. CC says, Mitch, you're the man. Huge thank you for all the research and time you put in and continue to put in. We're all very thankful. I'm learning so much. You're a good teacher. So thank you. Thank you, CC, for watching and listening, dude. Because it starts with you. Okay, you can come in here and turn me off immediately. So it's all on you, dude. Thanks for the support. Future for Litecoin? I don't know. It's just an uptrend right now. We're not really worried about the speculation, Mr. Booze, about Litecoin as an asset and where its lifespan is and where it's going to end and all that. We're just really looking for trade setups using coinciding variables on charts. That's what this channel is about. Technical analysis, man. All right. A lot of rumors, a lot of misconceptions, a lot of misinformation. It is all a huge part of crypto. It's like, it's synonymous, right? Like crypto scam, crypto sketch, crypto weird foreign countries that are going to try to take your money. Like that's all it is, dude. Like for the most part, that's what the culture has evolved into since the Great FOMO. Okay, not really good. Thanks, Mr. Booze, for joining. Welcome, man. Thanks for the sub. King hold. I don't even know, man. What do you mean? What happened to the Discord, Ronald Davis? It's. Hold on. What happened to the Discord? The Discord has around 1,500 members. That's what happened to it. It blew up in a good way. Star Wars Worlds Connect. What's up, dude? Oh my god. Anyway, so I don't know, dude. Like, yeah, we got the fluctuation of numbers between 700, 500, 1,000, whatever, but we don't think it's real. It's just because if it was real, chat would be going insane right now. Chat would be insane. There'd be so many like comments. There'd be so many people. Okay. I don't know, Brent Jaggers, man. We're approaching that 100% retrace on the stock market. We're talking like back to all-time highs. We're like there, man. Do you think we're in double top or something? Anyway. Going back to home base. Alright, still floating on up, man. 52.11. See if we can get above. Get to higher prices, man. Be wonderful. Again, 52.66 profit taking area for a pattern trade, a bullish cipher trade. Red X, nice job, dude. All right, CC, dude. No, it's all on you. You bring the content, people will come. Give a man a fish. You'll eat for a day. Teach a man a fish. He will eat for a lifetime. Thanks, CC, man. Thanks, Mr. King Hodl. Mr. King Holds. Yeah, I'm like Wampum. That doesn't even sound like even a meme coin. Like they could be real, right? Triple top on the Dow. Ooh. You remember now? You can't find it, Ronald? I have no idea, dude. I want to try to rejoin, I guess. Unless he did something really weird and got banned by our mods. Which again, like if you don't know, like I delegate mods, right? I delegate 2 mods to handle the Discord and the live chat, and it's people weird because like they'll get mad and they think I banned them, and it's like, dude, I don't have time to ban people in my stream. It's very rare that I do. Okay, so like you can't get mad at me because my mods banned you for doing something inappropriate, which I'm not saying you did at all. I'm just talking out loud because people, I don't think, get it. They think I'm literally like the Wizard of Oz behind a curtain banning people, and it's like, no, I'm not. I'm not doing that. Charting, dude. Okay. Anyway. Oh, the link's probably broken, Ronald. I don't think my link is good. Someone post the Discord, please. Thanks. Like an invite link in this chat for Ronald. It's great, man. Great. A new daily candle has emerged about 7 minutes ago. New daily. And guess what? We bullishly engulfed, I believe. Daily? Yeah, nice bullish engulfing candle has occurred on the daily time scale. Great news, man. 23% retrace. Make that perfect. Sorry. So this is what we did, man. From your low down here, major low to major high, 23% retrace. We're pivoting off of that. We're rejecting it now for the 3rd time. And now all we did was just adjust our trend line and be like 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top. And that's it. That's all we did. So probably could run up to 5,300, right, to touch that heart line if it's to be respected. That's great. That bullish and golden candle is awesome on a daily time scale. Okay. Very good. Bulls might still be in control. Impulse up. retrace. If this was it, man, get one more big rally. Okay. Run up here and sell off at 53.35. That could definitely be an area where we sell off, right? Overhead resistance now. Golden cross could be coming on the daily for the first time in a long time. But again, it's a lagging, very slow lagging indicator, okay? So don't put too much weight into it yet. Because 5,800 to 6,000, dude, that is like extreme brick wall. It's beautiful though. This is just great, man. Very good. Weighted Kangs. Necrotic. Here you go. Oh yeah, because look at your name, dude. Like, it's really weird that your name is that. Why is your name that? Who will be the king in the upcoming years? John, that's good question. Javid, maybe, man. Hopefully. It's definitely a possibility of a scenario, yeah, that could play out. OMG doing things. Well. Edcoin? What? Oh, dang, that sucks, man. Edcoin fell below the Ooh, it fell below your like critical areas, man. Real bad on Edcoin. So this thing's probably done. Invalid pattern, right? This S coin, I'd never heard about it until we looked at it. And it's just like, dude, I'm sorry, but not gonna work out. Look, here you are, man. You're selling off hardcore. We had some divergence and nothing helped us. Let's go to the daily. Edgar Coin Connect. Here it is. Dumping off. Probably has something to do with Bitcoin. Look at this bullish divergence we're getting, and we're still dumping. That's crazy. It's like XRP to BTC. It doesn't even make sense. So what could happen is we could sell off even more, and then we could eventually get triple MACD bullish divergence with invalid freaking pattern, or close enough to it. I mean, you can have a really loose stop, but dang, man. Going further than you want it to go, all right? Starting to diverge in oversold territory. Dang, man. Edcoin Connect. Bitcoin mooning? I don't think so. But you can clearly see the correlation with some of these Bitcoin pairs. They're getting demolished if Bitcoin breaks the upside. Okay, you saw that. Thanks, Duncan, man. Well, technical analysis. Complex technical analysis. Like, we try to be simple, but it's very tough to be simple. YouTube brought you here. Satoshi Bear, well, welcome, man. Glad you made it. Thanks for tuning in, all right? Thanks, Bitcoin, for bringing Satoshi Bear here, okay? I don't think we've ever had a Satoshi Bear before. So thanks for being the first, man. Kangs. So beautiful. Here we go. Second target is approaching for the bullish pattern. Bullish cipher pattern 786. Touched it perfectly. Ran up. Sold off. Lower candle close than our previous candle close with a wedge. Crazy bullish divergence. Bullish pin bar reversal with the divergence. And here we are. Come on, baby. Let's hit 52.66. From your high point to your low point. Come on, baby. Let's get there. So close. Oh. Come on, baby. Let's go. We did it, baby. We freaking did it. And we're going even higher. Come on. Third target, 886, 5423. Legendary music for the occasion. Anyway, sorry. Just having some fun there. It's always like good to have fun, like when your targets are getting close to being hit. Of the respective pattern, that is. And you're rejecting the 618. Perfect. Perfect, dude. You would expect a little pullback here. Just like you got a little pullback in 382, right? Beautiful, dude. Gotta love it. Red X, nice job. Very nice. Short liquidation's coming. Is that true, Fazan King? Are you saying that? Oh yeah, fireworks, man. Alright. Fireworks connect. There you go. We did it, dude. Celebratory. Well, I mean, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to like go look at S coins when Bitcoin's moving up and hitting targets and stuff? I mean, I'd rather just sit right here and hang out on this chart. It's beautiful. It's loud, but this music's good. Good song. Okay, cool. Please clap, Johnny. That's right. 5280 on Bitfinex. Well, we got as high as 5272 over here on Coinbase. So, you know, very close. Very close. Well, let's see how high we can go, man. When you hit a golden retrace from your previous swing high to low, I mean, it's an area where you reverse your price action and sell off some. So it would only be reasonable. But we know above that, we have the upsloping resistance at 5,300, which we talked about that target potentially today, right? I mean, we were talking in the day stream, the first analysis I did of it, right? So just sitting right at that second target. That's beautiful, dude. 1, 2, 3. What's up, Just Drew, dude? How did you get the 618 there, Ruby? Look, high, the height, C, the height of the structure, of the harmonic, to the bottom. High to low gives you your 62% retrace. That's it. All right. Does that help, Ruby? Let me know. Be awesome. Dude, this friggin' restream chat keeps breaking now. See, dude, they like implement something new and then something else breaks. It's like every day, man. Gotta like restart this crap, I guess. So dumb. I'm gonna like exit out and restart it. Restream, that is. The higher we go, the louder the music gets. Yeah, it was like leading up to the crescendo of the target being hit, right? Wow. Holy crap. Thanks for the 1,250 people tuned in right now. Okay, sure. On YouTube. My God. Thanks for the 13 people on D-Lob, man. Might as well just wrap it up on D-Lob. I think my career's already cooked over there, dude. Okay. Hey, look, man, if you enjoyed us hitting that 618 right there, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. All right. If you want to see this channel grow, hitting the like button, the bell, the sub is the way to do it. All right. And I think my restream is completely busted now. So. All right. So I fixed it. Great. Christian, this is a profit-taking area. This does not mean one should be completely exiting the position. It's just for a trade. If one got in at 4,900 or so, this is an area where someone will be taking a little off. Yes. With Ethereum pumping, well, of course, XRP. I'm sure moving to the upside too, right? Or maybe not, right? Oh, yeah, or not, right? Of course. Yeah, XRP is pretty tame. Its price action is very tame when Bitcoin makes its moves. XRP really didn't do anything with what it was given, all right? But that's kind of the story of XRP this year. 2019, we've had very, very few pumps. Okay, nice one here. Another rally. And that was it. Like, you had no other good pumps. I mean, you had I guess the falling wedge. You hit the 382, and not even the 50%. So, like, really, all year, 2019 has been miserable for XRP to USD. It's been awful. And so we would think that right here, we could be setting ourselves up for the huge break to the upside. They could usher in the beginning of another possible rally on XRP. But, dude, it's just like, it's flatlined for the most part, up and down. Not even, it's barely up and down. It's just more like, again, straight. Oh yeah. Sorry, XRP. I wish you didn't suck so much on price action. Okay, it's not your fault. It's other people's faults. So there you go. Still wicking off the golden retrace 5266. Thanks Satoshi Bear for the $1 super chat, Kangs. Valuable gem? What? A valuable gem there. Tell me more. Nokia, tell me more about what I didn't do. Oh, the golden gem number of patrons? We're like 118. Hey is a buck. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, absolutely, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Satoshi Bear Man. Thanks for the 1150 people watching still, I guess, right? Yeah, I'm back, dude. Rick Schmitz, man. I'm back. Crazy world we live in, dude. Keyboard hackers. What are you talking about, dude? I mean, yeah, I guess we do have, you know, accumulation. It could definitely be argued there is the higher lows. You've just continuously hit these higher lows, no matter what. But the problem is, Pablo, man, the argument's made on the top side too. You have distribution going on. You have lower highs every single time until kind of quite recently in the short term. You're now kind of making higher highs than those most extreme previous minor swing highs. Okay. Reset my alt positions? What do you mean reset them? You have to reevaluate. Sure. Yeah, you got to go back and see. Hey Phil, thanks for the limited. So Mr. Stance. You sold your Bitcoin for lemons and ice cream, Johnny. Get wrecked, dude. Get freaking wrecked. Good thing the restream's still working, man. And remember, if you do want to keep the conversation going when this live stream ends, please head over to our Discord, check it out. Like-minded people just like you that love technical analysis and trading. All right. And I think someone can drop a link in the Discord, or a link in the description, or a link in the chat right now, and that's cool, dude. You can't leave Star Wars Worlds. Well, where's all the chat, dude? Star Wars Worlds. Why is it like 250 people are watching me in chat, but we got 1,200 people watching, dude? Okay, tell me why. Okay. Let's go likes. Let's see if we get 200 likes. 200 likes would be good, right? Probably be really good. Holy crap, dude. Y'all are killing me. Look, man, I like did the show. I did the show and came back after the PC crash. And now I'm like, well, we've looked at a ton of stuff. Well, you can see all the trade setups, repeat that we do in the Patreon. In the Patreon. 118 strong patrons. I think if you own VeChain, you're gonna own VTHO, right, Kevin? Hey, David Wolf, welcome, man. It's not larger than usual, no, but I did make a change probably like a month and a half ago to make them larger. Here you go. Crypto Kira short-term targets. Well, we just hit one. Crypto Kira, the first one was hit on the 13th, 3 days ago. 382, 5137. Second target, 5270. Third target, 5423. If you're lucky. If you're lucky. Cheers, Greg, man. See you at 2300. Oh, 2300 Ion. Sweet, dude. You forgot to tell these cats about all that great stuff in your Patreon. Yeah, dude, it's just like midway through the month, so I don't really like pushing Patreon unless it's like, you know, early in the month, right? Like, you know, the first week I normally try to push it, but then, you know, if I push it all month, and it just makes me look like I'm like, you know, just, you know. I'd rather people, you know, look at me not like like I'm just selling the Patreon, and that's why I'm here. It's more about helping people, and if you want to support me as a content creator, you can join the Patreon, and there are amenities involved with that would incentivize you to join the Patreon to support me. Markev, thanks for the follow on. D-Lab, welcome. Oh yeah, well you helped. You do help, Kiki, just by being here. Okay. So, Mr. Muffin, not necessarily a buy. No, this is more people. This is our second profit-taking level on a trade on the bullish cipher. So, no, this is not a time to buy. This is high risk. You're hitting a golden retrace from a high to low, and though it keeps breaking the upside, that doesn't mean that we were wrong in terms of risk to reward. But you know, like I'm telling you, man, it's all a numbers game, probability, right? So if you keep taking shots where there's a high probability that you'll get wrecked, then you will not be successful as a trader. Low volume, everything's low volume, dude. It's like almost always low volume, dude. Dude, I wouldn't even put much weight on volume. Like most of the high majority of the trading on Bitcoin's done OTC anyway. It's not exchange, so just don't. You can't put too much weight on it like you would in a traditional market. Okay. John Doe says 52.90 on Bitfinex. Hourly is looking good. Yeah, probably. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. XABCD. Is that a 1618? Nah, dude, because the wick. It's not. It's a 127. So you're at a 1272 fib extension from your previous high to low. All right, so that's confluent with the 618. Wow. Okay. So strong resistance here. It's gonna be tough to break that. Huge spike in positive momentum. We're overbought again, right? 72 on the RSI. Normally the times we hit these areas, we sell off pretty hard after. Okay, so profit taking level. Why would people not take profit here when we're getting overbought on the 60-minute? Okay. Oh, that true, man. Star Wars Worlds, man. Well, dude, I don't know what people want, you know. Just target it. Wow. Big deal, man. Yes, Crypto Kiro. No, I mean, I do static videos too now. Like, I guess I started doing static videos about 25 days ago. But yeah, primarily, but before the 25 days, I live stream every day. I didn't do static videos. So yeah, I live stream at 6 p.m. Eastern, and 11 p.m. Eastern, twice a day. Pretty much 365, because I'm crazy, all right? Be well, Mr. Bear. Thanks for being here. Hopefully you're a sub now, and we'll see you again, man, right? Yeah, we looked at ADA already, David, in this stream. Because there's like 2 streams now. Because I streamed for an hour and 8 minutes on the other stream, and then my computer crashed, and now here I am again an hour and 4 minutes into this stream. Okay, so I have 2 different 60-minute streams. Thanks, Toshi Blue, dude. Mark F says he's looking to learn more on blockchain and Bitcoin. Yeah, I need to get more sources on the best blockchain education stuff. I don't know who the best person is out there that supplies that education. The next 6 months is, dude, I don't really look out that far. We look at pretty much, I don't know, midterm, man. We swing trades. We look for entries and price action reversals at those entries for trade setups for long positions that we take our profit along the way, on the way up. Okay. So 6 months is kind of far out. A lot of stuff can happen in between then that we can't control, and so it's all speculative. So I don't really normally like answering those crazy speculative questions like that. Normally I'll just do the sound bit like this. Okay.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. But for now, second target being hit of our bullish or whatever. Fed back from your lunch break? Dang, dude. My sun just went down. Okay. It's all new and interesting to you? Good. Marco, man. I'm glad. It's a revolutionary technology that is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Blockchain. Yeah, I mean, definitely. I mean, it wasn't going to be much more, right? I mean, we were $30, $40 off the measure move of the rising wedge. That's the bullish divergence was there. So, like, that's all you got right there. So, yeah, now you're hitting. Yeah, I'll hold your tether, dude. There you go, Christian. David answered that pretty well for you. Okay. Art of JR. We actually looked at Dash earlier. We're just retracing right now. Yeah, good question, Daves. Good question. Good Lord, thanks for the 1,300 people here. Like Spike, like Spike. If there are that many people and it's real, like Spike. If it's fake, then no like Spike, right? Tion, you got that beer ready, man? Ready for what, dude? Because the beer, you should be popping your beer if we hit high to low, 62%. If we hit a golden retrace, that's beer popping stuff, right? But not bad. Okay, great. Is XRP in a 5-channel touches on a daily? I mean, we've had that. It only shows up when I look at the daily time scale, though, because you know, you don't want to create too many lines. People get really skittish like deer. All right. Look at the daily, right? Here's our daily down 7 channel. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 on top. 1 and 2 on the bottom. All right. So even if you bred this triangle right after that's a critical down sloping resistance, it'd be insane, man. A Momo shift if we could get it. Bullish convergence is maintaining. It's holding on still, right? God. No divergence though. I mean, of course not. You're not going to get that. But you are at the end, man. You're near the ends of the earth. May 11th, May 12th, you'll be touching this. If you go sideways long enough, you'll be touching the down sloping trend line. That's not too far away, man. It's like a month away. These moves are coming. But your issue is like, look, your 200-day moving average, you ran up, rejected it. Did you even touch it? Yeah, you did touch it and then sold off. So at least, I mean, Bitcoin's even looking better in terms of like maybe you're getting a golden cross. XRP is still like, here are your faster moving averages, here's your 200. Still using the 200 as resistance as we've seen before. God. Can't get your break on this one. Well, at least you have the NHL playoffs, dude, because I don't even have that. I have no feels for other sports. Not watching them. Not even really the NFL so much. It's hard for me to get into, dude. It's just like I didn't grow up with it. It's not a hearts and minds thing like college football. You know. Looks like a beer mug. Alright. So Cal HS. Adrian, hello. Did you say something, man? Okay, bullish Harambe happened on the daily. That bullish Harami, right? You can see it right there, where you have one red candle and then you completely all the candle is contained within the previous candle. So that's like a bullish pattern, right? Negative momentum is beginning to taper off a little bit. That's awesome. So maybe we start the retrace, right? We start going back to neutral and enabled. In order to get back to neutral, you sometimes pretty much have to go to the upside a little bit. So now we wait, man. Breaking above 32.934 cents would be a pretty big deal. But then you just got like the 50 moving average right after that. God. So Bear Caffeine. Champions League? What? Look at that. Dude, we are less than 20 likes away from 200. Can we do this? Can we be kings? Or will we be peasants, man? XRP was at 36 cents last time. Bitcoin was at this price. Oh, there you go, man. Terrible. Terrible performer, man, for 2019. XRP has been terrible on the charts. Okay, and all the XRP people are losing their freaking minds. All right. You've been seeing a ridiculous amount of ads lately saying XRP to that price. That's weird. People are advertising XRP breaking the upside. Like on YouTube, man? Really? It's extremely sketchy, man. Okay. People are like, I don't know, advertising the price of XRP. Like you can advertise your product like Walmart or any kind of publicly traded company, but to advertise buying into an asset specifically because it's going to break to the upside and make you money, man, that's weird, sketchy. Anyway, all right, y'all. I'll have stayed on as long as I could. I mean, you know, it's like I gotta eat some dinner, get you know, recalibrated, get ready for tonight's stream, right? Because I stream again, and that's it. Okay, so just want to say thanks real quick to Stoshi Bear for the super chat, Adrian A, Sir Fishing for Morgan, Alabama, Kangsman. Thank y'all. The contributions on this stream just lasted 1 hour and 12 minutes. We had one to just before it, 1 hour and 8 minutes. Okay. And thanks again for the 1,000 people, whatever. So I'll be back. I'll be back tonight. So until then, respect the TA.
Adios, turd nuggets.